Hello and welcome to another episode of Research That Matters. This is our weekly post of what the science and what the research says about topics that matter to you. I am Dr. Chris Freitag with Lavaca County Chiropractic in Hallettsville, Texas, and today we are talking about foam rolling. Foam rolling has exploded in popularity over the past few years. No longer used only by athletes and trainers, foam rolling, which is a type of myofascial release, is now used by people at all levels of fitness. The goal of foam rolling is to improve muscle function, performance, and range of motion. When a tight muscle or trigger point is released, you're better able to move freely, move with less pain, and improve your overall performance. Activity, age, and injuries can all cause your muscles to lose flexibility over time, which in turn creates adhesions and pain in your body. Foam rolling allows you to place deep compression on those areas, reducing pain and adhesions, while creating improved range of motion. So here's your research highlight today. Researchers have discovered that foam rolling during your warm-up can improve flexibility more than static and dynamic stretching. Here are a few highlights from the rest of today. Foam rolling is designed to release tight muscles and trigger points. And researchers are seeing increased flexibility and reduced pain in individuals after foam rolling. Proper movement patterns, which foam rolling can help you achieve, are thought to improve athletic performance and reduce injury. If you have any questions on foam rolling and whether it is right for you, just ask. I believe this type of at-home care is a great way to support the adjustments and the treatment that you receive in our office. So thank you for joining me again today for another episode of Research That Matters. Pass this on to anyone that you know that is already utilizing foam rolling so they can have some affirmation that the research supports what they are doing. If you know of anyone that is dealing with pain, especially athletes, that might be interested in using foam rolling to help them reduce the muscle tension and the trigger points that they're dealing with, send this to them as well. Click like on our Facebook page to make sure that you continue to receive all the updates of the research that matters. I'm Dr. Chris Freitag with Lavaca County Chiropractic. Thank you for joining me again today. Have a wonderful day.